Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the screen spotless. Clean your hands and the device, then use the microfiber and dust sticker to remove particles. Once done, apply 2 small pieces of hinge tape near the top 0.5 cm apart to act as a pivot. Next, peel only the backing tab that exposes a sliver of adhesive. Do not fully remove it. Align the protector's top edge to the device edge with steady eyes, and hold the hinge so you can lower it straight down without shifting. You lower the protector slowly using the hinge as your guide. This prevents skew and keeps edges flush. As the adhesive makes contact, use a clean card wrapped in microfiber to press outward. Push air bubbles toward the nearest edge in smooth strokes. Make sure to apply even pressure across the center so the edges bond last and trap less dust. If you see a misalignment, lift only from the hinge area, realign, and reapply. This avoids creases and preserves the adhesive's integrity. You finish by running the card across all edges and the center to ensure full contact, then carefully remove the hinge tape. If small dust specks remain, use the dust sticker to lift them out by peeling up at the nearest edge, then reseat the protector. Tiny bubbles often vanish within 24 to 48 hours as the adhesive relaxes, so give it time. If a stubborn bubble or particle refuses to budge, lift to the nearest edge, pluck the speck, and reapply immediately to prevent permanent blemishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.